Hello people of Banter, Dead here, and today I'm going to be covering shape keys on your Ready Player Me / Sidequest Avatars. So, I've got John's model. I've built John's model, so I'm giving a shout out to John that he's having an actual update to his model. So here, I just have his model. But I have him, when he talks, his mouth opens like that. But that's one animation we could do. Since of a few, I'll say a few months ago, we've had a new collection of shape keys we can use on our system. Being silent, P, Fs, Fs, Ds, Ks, Ks, S, Ns, Rs, A, E, I, O, and U. So today I'm going to be covering how to obviously do and actually add the shape keys, but I'm also going to include, and I'll be focusing on the A, E, I, O, U's, but I'll still have the options of the others in there. So here I have mouth open. That's a simple animation. If we go to edit mode, while we have that open, we can see that his mouth is open. And that when it's closed, it's that. But if we add another shape key and let's go and drag Viseme's _ silent or psi, we can add that by double clicking and adding it there. And there's no animation on it. So we're just gonna go through and add all the Viseme's we have here. So P's, F's, we're going to add the fuzz for that. We need the D's. Gonna keep adding all of them until we have the exact list. There, S's, N's, did I delete? Nope, okay, I double checking that I didn't delete any of them. A's, then we have E, then we have I, O, and then U. So we have now all the actual shape keys we need. I'm going to be focusing on these bottom few, but you can go through and add all of these in. But I'm going to start with A. I'm just going to add a simple animation. So I've clicked on A. There's no animation on it. So we're going to edit. And I am going to deselect. And this is going to take a lot longer than what I thought. I'm going to do that. And see if I can do... Nope. Yes, I'll let you go. I'll take 5. Boop. Unfree. Fuck. Just going to... We are going to select all parts of the face, what we need, or the bottom jaw. In edit mode, you select the faces or vertices or edges you want to adjust. So I've done the face option. I'm just double checking that I have all the faces I want. And as we're in the A, all we got to do is just do any changes we want. So I want A to be a simple down. Keep you like that, but kind of not too much. So you have the A. And we're just going to do the exact same thing we've just done, but with A, or E, I, O, and U. Or I'm just going to showcase that that works. Now, on the A category, we had the option of value here. Big short filament, yep. So now as we've, in the normal output mode, we can go to A, and we can see we have the mouth animation, where it's completely different to the mouth animation I've done up here. But we just got to do the exact same for different things. So I'm going to press E, and I want to do a similar thing. Rotate you down a little bit. And I am going to... Nope, that doesn't work. Okay. I'm going to select only half of the faces. So I'm just going to do a control and left click. So I only have half of it. I'm going to go back to a normal view. I'm just going to confirm that I have all of it. All of that one side I want. So your mouth goes down. But I kind of want you to go out a little bit too. So, and then I'm just going to continue by repositioning you a bit more. I've missed the face. Is that on both versions? Good to go in and find it. Yeah, that'd be fun though. Just gonna make sure got them all. Go back to thingy mode. Deselect those. I now have the one side. Going back to repositioning it. Going to pull you down. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm going to, and then extend you out. Gonna rotate you a little bit more down also, and then bring it down a bit. So with this E, as I've only done half of it, it'll be doing some sort of animation like that. Now I've just got to do that for the other side. So gonna get back in, reselect the faces I need, and we're gonna go to I and O. Okay, now with this other half now being complete. So we have the A, which just opens normally as a simple jaw. E does the kind of break out a little bit more. I have zero clue what the hell I'm going to do for I. It's like I have A, E, A, E. So we have quite a few animations done. So I just need I and O. But I was asked earlier to add a nice thing also. I am going to adjust one bit of this. So we had the glasses back. But with this, I was asked personally to add the U to do something stupid and weird. So, I don't need that. I need this. If I go to edit mode, I was asked personally just to take the piss. He wanted you to spin the glasses. Just for the fun of it, you spins now the glasses. I'll add a little bit more to it, that it lifts up a bit more. So really much, that covers how shape keys work in here. No, I did a fucky with that. Let me just double check. You're on full. Yeah. So that covers really much how we have shape keys into a model. I've also covered all the Visemes, Avatar supports so far. I will do I and O as a surprise kind of thing, because I'm going to need to sit down and figure out what that's going to be. And we will go from there. So I hope everybody has learned something today, and I'll see everybody again very soon. Bye!